This is the XTR LED reverse boost light from Morimoto, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this bad boy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and to all my longtime subscribers, welcome back. Alright, today I'm going to be installing this XTR LED reverse light from Morimoto. It's an awesome upgrade to your rear of your truck. It provides a lot of extra light, especially when you put it in reverse. And the cool thing about this thing is it only takes 2 screws. You use the existing hardware in your license plate, and that's it. I'm going to show you how to install this and wire it up, whether you have the Morimoto XB tail lights or not. The first thing I want to note about this system is that it's actually made for the Morimoto XB tail lights, and they have a pigtail that is included in the light that this thing just plugs into, that makes wiring this thing super easy. So if you don't have a Morimoto XB tail light and you want to pick one up, check out my install video where I show you how to install it. And of course, this is going to integrate into that seamlessly. I'm going to leave links in the description to everything that I use as usual, and timestamps, so you guys can follow along pretty easy. Alright, this is going to be a quick video, so stay tuned, buckle up, and let's get this thing installed. So we're going to be using these 2 screw holes here to mount the light. So what you want to do is remove the screws holding your license plate and remove any license plate covers that are using these holes. The next thing you want to do is you want to test fit your light by putting in the screws in the location where you want the light to be. You want to make sure that the light is mounted in this orientation here with the wire on the right side of your light, and you just want to have it basically test fitted in place. Now, as you can see, we have a wire here. So what you want to do is you want to drill a hole behind this plate here, because what we're going to do is we're going to feed this wire through. So what you want to do is test fit it in here. Don't put all the screws tight, and you want to pull back on the light a little bit and make a mark where the wire is so that you know where to drill the hole. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and remove the screws that you put in there and remove your light. Once you have your hole marked, the next thing you need to do is drill a hole where the mark is using a 5/16 drill bit. Once you have your hole drilled, you are ready. Now you can go ahead and feed the wire through. You'll notice as you feed the wire through, there's a little rubber grommet here that goes into this hole that kind of seals it. You want to go ahead and put that grommet in and feed the rest of your wires through. All right. Once you get the wire almost through, you can go ahead, put your line up your license plate and push the boost bar all the way through, line up the holes and catch your screws. Once you got your screws lined up, you can go ahead, tighten them down. Once we have our boost bar installed, what we're going to do next is we're going to fish our wires that we push through here, and we're going to run it up to the passenger side tail light. I'm going to take off the light and show you where to make that connection. Now, the next thing we got to do is remove our tail light. They're only held in by 2 screws here. They're 8mm screws. You can go ahead, pull these out, and your tail light should just come right out. What you want to do next is just feed the wire up through the holes that are behind your tail light. All you want to do is just run this wire up here temporarily so that you can grab a hold of it. Once you have your wire, let's go ahead and connect it back to our tail light. Once we have the wire for the light run, what I'm going to do is, you can see here, you just zip tie the wires together so you don't have anything dangling, and you're going to make the connection with your Morimoto XB tail lights. They only line up in one direction. There's a curved part and a flat part. You just line it up, push it together, and that's it. Before we put this thing back together, I just wanted to show you guys something here. The kit also comes with this adapter here that just has the ends for a hot and the reverse. It also comes with a wire tap here. If you don't have the LED XB Morimoto lights and you have the regular halogen, or you just have a regular halogen bulb here that you want to connect the boost bar to, all you need to do is, instead of plugging it directly into the light, obviously this pigtail won't be here, you just make the connection with this splice, and you're going to tap into your reverse and your hot using this wire tap. It's pretty easy. They just snap together and they can wire together. But in my case, I have the Morimoto XB Gen 2 lights, and that makes it a lot easier. Once you have the light bar connected, the last step is to connect your wiring harness. Make sure it snaps together, and you're going to go ahead, tuck the lights back. Make sure all your wires are tucked away and nothing is being pinched. Line up your Morimoto lights and push them back in. And that's it. The last step is to go ahead and tighten the screws that hold your tail lights in. You can see here I'm using hand tools. You don't want to over tighten these things, so I like to use hand tools just to get them nice and snug. Once you're done, your bolts are in, your light is in, your boost bar is connected, you're done. Now let's go ahead and test these things out. All right, guys, welcome back. That wasn't too bad, right? A quick 10-minute DIY install of this Morimoto reverse boost light. Listen, the light output for this thing is awesome. So if you need to light up your reverse area, get some better visibility when you're backing up, this thing is an awesome must-have DIY upgrade. Now, you can always check out my other F-150 content if you already haven't. I've done a lot of work to this truck, and if you're interested in seeing what I do, check it out. Check out my videos. Remember, like I said, this boost bar doesn't only pair with the Morimoto XB Gen 2 lights. You can use them for any system. It doesn't really matter. It comes with an adapter that allows you to just tap into your reverse lights. So if that's the route you want to go ahead, get it done. If you follow these steps, it should be a breeze no matter what the install is. And that's why I'm here, to help you guys figure things out and get things done by yourself. Now listen, if you found value in the content, don't forget, hit that like button. That's what helps the channel out the most. And if you feel inclined, hit the subscribe button. Once again, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.